Alright guys, today we're going to turn this server right here into a DNS server for the ISP. And what that's going to accomplish is whenever you type in a domain name, it will cache it. So when the next person goes to type it in, it will pretty much be instant. And that's pretty much this extremely short version of how DNS works. It's like a big ol' inventory list that gets updated whenever a website, appears online or whatever. But this will cache all the DNS requests from all the users and save it for the next person to access the service with pretty much no problem. I mean, it is technically a shared network in a way, since it is going to be a fixed wireless internet service. But let's get to it, shall we?
Well, apparently I had no audio, but now I do. For those who didn't hear me, we are going to install... Not for those who didn't hear me, nobody heard me. We're installing this DNS server right here. And you go to this link, you copy this shit right here. But first, we're gonna upgrade it, which we did with this and that. And now we could paste our little shit that was... we paste what we're supposed to paste. But, it's that simple to install it, so, what this is going to accomplish, like I said before, is that, whenever a user logs into let's say Facebook, they go to log into their Facebook account for the first time, it will cache the request, so when another person wants to access their Facebook, it will pretty much be instantaneous because it's on a local DNS server versus having to reach out to whatever DNS server you need to, reach out to. But, we are going to log into this, but using its IP address, so that would be and there we go. It's all installed now. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add the ISP, the network that people connect to for the internet service. So we're going to click that since I log into it pretty much every day. And we are going to select the router right here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to DNS forwarder, and we're going to get rid of nothing, but we're going to add that right. Damn it. Oh. It's right there. Right in front of my fucking eyes. I tell you, it's because I didn't smoke my bowl. But, there you go, you just add it like that. And then the request should start coming in soon. I mean, we are logged into the one of the routers, the Linksys one, so we should be able to just, let's go to the store here. Yeah, since it's the first time it took forever. Let's refresh it. See, we got two clients now, and that's the router right there, 5.50, as y'all can see right here, 5.50. So that is how you set up the DNS server easily. I'm using an aggregated link. So the server I'm using is called the Dell R610, and it has 4 1 gig Ethernet ports, and I have them all aggregated as one link with a total throughput of 4 gigs. But that's how you install it, and Now when we click the link, it should be faster. See? It's already logged into its little memory. Now when I have to set up caching, I think. What should be default? Let's go to board and refresh that shit. Whatever. It'll be fine. But that's pretty much it. You know, there's all kinds of settings too. You got your cache area, your zones. DHCPs, so you could manage different networks through here. Change that there to all recursions. Should be good enough right there for now. I'm gonna cache here. Make sure that's all good. Save cache to disk. Okay. Yeah, okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then, you know, just really a little line of whatever to get your shit going. And some of the benefits, actually, you know, it enhances privacy. Here are some features here. You know, like I said, it works on all OSs. Probably didn't hear that because the mic was muted. Whatever. You know, installs in just a minute. You could say it does. If that. You know, it could block ads and shit. I've ran it before on a little Raspberry Pi. In fact, that's how I test my servers, my services before I actually install them onto a physical server. You want working shit. But yeah, it has many cool features. You can host your own. Host your own domain too. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, see right here. Host your own domain names on your own DNS server. But yeah, this is a really badass DNS server. And this is what I'm gonna use for my internet service as it's DNS service. Oh, see, it's cached. I just had to be patient. You know what they say, patience is a virtue. But that is it, guys. That's how you install a DNS server. It's literally pretty much plug and play. Like and subscribe for more. And that's it.